Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show as pop-up for text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the text messaging app. Next, I'm going to go back to the messages list in here. Then in messages, tap on your profile icon in the search bar, and then tap on messages settings. In here, go down and tap on notifications. Next, we go down and tap on notification categories. Then tap on incoming messages, and in here tap on show as pop-up. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.